Today, we will be understanding the one most important skill that will help you stand out in your software career. Before diving into the solution, we will understand the problem so that you can really understand how important is this solution. Those who don't know me, hi, my name is Rohan Girdhani. I am a tech and management consultant. I specialize in human-centric scalable software that drives continuous recurring revenue through science and automation. I mostly work with startups, and as of now I am been doing this for past 11 years. See my friend, after working with startups and a lot of companies, I can say one thing for sure. Understand the problem. See, as a company created an opportunity or a startup created an opportunity which they are delivering to earn some monetary value. Now, in a job role, what you are doing is, suppose a startup created an opportunity so that they have to supply a software, for example. Now, to supply that software in the entire software cycle, there would be program managers, product managers, testers, developers, cloud architects, and a lot of people in between that together collectively do that delivery, and that monetary amount is received. So rather than you working on an opportunity, you are working on a specific job role, a job function. That is how a company works. But let's take another example. Let's say you are a developer, you don't know nothing about cloud or a process or a project manager's job. Suddenly one day the person leaves the company. Now company asks you to do that job. Would you be able to do it? The flat answer would be no, Rohan. We won't be able to do it because we aren't trained on that skill. Now understand this problem. Now there are 10 other skills. I am not saying that you should be master of all these skills, but at least you should know the most important common things of that job role so that you are never stuck. Let's say you are developing a software. You would need servers, you would need database, you would need security. Now in that security, let's say in security there are 5,000 services. What do you need? What your softwares, what your company daily uses? Let's say they only use 3 to 4 security services. So your job is not to master those 5,000 services. Your job is to master those 4 services only. Suddenly you have reduced your learning time, and you are working on the patterns that you find in your company, in your industry. That is how you scale, that is how you grow. So the key most important skill that will help you stand out in your company is to master the common processes, the 360-degree process that completes your software development cycle. Now what you need to do is take a copy or pen, pause this video, just write through the video, and you would have a solution by yourself. Point number 1, starting from the requirements. What are the key activities that a person or a department does in your company while collecting those requirements? Write those down. Second, let's move down a little deep. Second, write down translating those requirements into technical requirements. Now what all activities are there? Write it down. You are creating the learning process for yourself right now. Third point, the technical competence that is needed to complete that job. Let's say you are a cloud developer, you need to learn security. So that is part of that 360-degree process. Then move a little further, talk about security, compliances, automation, what your company uses. If they are not using anything, introduce something. Write that specific skills. Now my friend, don't confuse yourself on writing down. Let's say if you're writing down about security, you do not need to write down everything that there is in security. Only those skills that your company uses or requires. That would only take you, I think, a week of learning. Rather than learning a 1 month of security learning, reduce it down to 1 week. After you have done your security, how does the submission and testing processes work? Learn about that. How does automation works there? What is the final delivery of the project? Another heading. So when you work on the 360-degree process of your company, this would first take some research, because right now you're just working on your job role. And if you really want to stand out, just work on this 360-degree and see the change, introduce things, talk about things with different departments. You will see your career grow like anything. And that is the one main reason company and startups need consultants. I know I am a consultant, I shouldn't be saying this, but this is the reason, my friend. If you can really learn this skill of process and strategy and learning the common patterns, you are set. You won't need any other guidance more than this. You just need to find those patterns, those strategies and process, combine it together, complete your learning. And if you really follow this advice, you would complete your learning in a single month. So right now you are doing entire courses and then getting to know that we still don't know where to go. But if you can do this thing, you will turn your learning into monetary value, into your career growth within a month. And do you want to know what I do for my work? I introduce this process and strategies to startups and companies. That is how I make my money. I can't be more honest than this. So now you know what you need to do. It's just about taking that action. And if you like this video, and if you want to learn more about the software industry and how to grow your career, do like, share and subscribe, because that is how we do mutual growth. And now if you have stayed this long in the video, that shows that you want to grow your career and you have got the potential. I'll tell you what, we conduct 2 webinars every month. Decode 1% Tech with Rohan, where I tell you the exact skills about this process and strategies so that you can implement in your daily life. I also tell you the mindset of a consultant, how I work, what I do, what I share, and how you can also start this as a side hustle or even get growth in your current company. I have shared the link in the description below. Go ahead, check this out, and until next time, this is Rohan Girdhani signing off.